Hello everyone! Welcome to our first episode for this year 2026 ng Together We Rise. New year, new slate, new calendar. Pero more than that, new opportunity na naman to reflect, reset, and realign our lives. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aleph. I'm a working mom of three, and I also have my business partners here who also came from or lives in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.
Hi everyone, I'm Delilah, a mom of two, a healthcare aide, and an online business owner as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Marianne. Happy New Year, and I'm a mother of three and a nurse and also an online business owner.
Grabe no, parang kailan lang. Pagod na pagod tayo last year tapos boom, New Year na ulit.
Tama. Pero this year feels different. Parang may tahimik na bumubulong sa puso natin na this is the season that God is calling us to step forward.
So this episode is not about pressure or perfect goals. It is about the simple but powerful things that we can do to start the new year.
Yeah, it's about being honest, right, with ourselves. Kung nasaan tayo ngayon and saan talaga natin gustong pumunta.
And how we can start 2026 with intention, faith, and courage.
So these are the 4 simple but powerful things that will help us to start the 2026. Una, accept responsibility of your own life.
Meaning, hindi na puro sisi sa past, sa tao at sa sitwasyon.
Tama. Kasi kapag in-accept mo na ikaw yung may control sa choices mo, doon nagsisimula yung tunay na pagbabago.
The second one is believe that you can change with God's help.
Yes, let's be real. Ang hirap magbago mag-isa.
But when you trust God, kahit mahina ka, feeling mo strong ka pa rin kasi hindi ka nag-iisa.
And the third one is clarify what you really want.
Hindi yung gusto ng iba, hindi yung uso, kundi kung ano ang gusto mo.
And but what aligns with your values, yung season and purpose for you.
And the last one is don't wait to begin.
Huwag mo na hintayin na ready ka, kasi honestly, hindi mo malalaman kung kailan ka magiging ready.
So start where you are, use what you have, and then God will meet you there. Kasi you know yung mga willpower natin, it's a good way to start. But let's be honest, maubos din yung mga willpower natin.
And that's why hindi natutupad yung mga New Year's resolutions kasi umaasa lang tayo sa sarili nating lakas.
But real lasting change comes when we depend on God's strength, hindi lang sa sarili natin.
So when God is part of your plans, may grace kahit mahirap, and then may hope kahit delayed.
And if you feel like you don't want to do this journey alone,
if you're looking for a community that will support you, pray with you, and grow with you,
you're welcome to join our community. This is a safe space for growth, faith, and real conversations.
and if you're curious to learn more,
you can also check our websites na nakikita nyo sa screen. No pressure, just information and inspiration lang.
Sometimes the right community and the right step can change everything.
again, this is the time to make goals and start acting on those goals. So when December 2026 arrives, you can look back and say, I started, I stayed consistent, and by God's grace, I made it. So here's to a God-led 2026. Stronger faith, intentional choices, and meaningful growth.